adding and subtracting fractions, made easy. Now, other words we use are addition, sum, add, plus, and increase. Fraction facts. Now we have a numerator and a denominator. The D is for the number that goes down below. Simplify fractions. When we're doing fractions, we generally have to simplify, and this means making the number as small as possible so it can't be divided into any more. 6/12 go to 3/6, and 3/6 simplify down to 1/2. For adding and subtracting fractions, for this method you cannot do the sum until the denominators, bottoms, are the same. When the bottoms are the same, you can do the sum easy. So 3/7 plus 1/7 is 4/7. Simple. Now step 1, what we do is multiply the bottoms or the denominators. 5 times 3 equals 15. So we know the answer for the bottom is 15. Step 2, we multiply across the tops. So that's 2 times 3, which equals 6, and 1 times 5, which equals 5. So step 3, we do the sum. Now our bottoms are the same, so we can actually do 6 plus 5, which equals 11/15. Can we simplify that? No, we can't. Let's try another one. So multiply the bottoms. 4 times 7 gives us 28. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 4 gives us 8. We add them together, which gives us 22/28. Can we simplify? Yes, that goes down to 11/14. Try this one. 1/2 plus 1/3. So we're going to multiply the bottoms. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3 on our top line there. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5/6. Can we simplify? No, we can't. So other words used are minus, take away, less, difference, decrease, and deduct. Now you notice the formula for subtracting fractions is the same as adding. Let's subtract. Okay, 3/4 take 1/2. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. So that's 6 minus 4, which gives us 2/8 because our bottom stays the same, and that simplifies to 1/4. Next step, what if you had this as a sum? Well, don't panic, you already know the formula. So we just rewrite the 5 as 5 whole ones. So 5/1, so 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1, so 10 take 1 is 9, which goes over the 2, which gives us a heavy fraction, which we simplify to a mixed fraction of 4.5. So recap the steps. Multiply the bottoms, multiply across, do the sum, and simplify M.M.S.S.